Hi, welcome to week 1 in OL660 Leading Organizational Change. This is a coming attraction. Each week you're going to get one of these short little videos. It's going to tell you what's going on, tell you what you're going to talk about. It's also going to introduce who your speaker will be to begin each class and the topics and just in general what's coming your way. So first of all, you're going to look at change initiatives. We're going to define change and how different perspectives make a huge difference. We're also going to talk about your relationship with change, which is an incredibly interesting topic. And we're going to define and explain what an initiative for change is. Your class, your first speaker is going to be Lisa Manley. For those who don't know Lisa, she is the director of the Center for Teaching Excellence, and she's also in charge of online studies. Lisa is a critical member of our MSOL family. She is one of the initial instructors who's worked for me from literally the day I walked on campus. So I think you're going to really enjoy the way she looks at things. Lisa will also be in week 3, coming back in week 3 to work with you again. You have 3 videos you're going to look at. And of the 3 videos, one is called The Deep Dive, and it is one of my absolutely favorite videos. It's an older one. You're going to use it in week 2, but I want you to spend some time and really focus on what's going on in that video. It's a lot about change, but it's also a lot about human nature. In terms of readings, you have quite a few. There's a fair amount of reading to do this week, so you want to sort of distribute it. You are going to then do a discussion board, and you're going to talk about how you feel about change. If you do not use any sources, you do not have to use APA, but you do need to use good structure in terms of your sentences and your paragraphs. I also would ask you to look at the writing assignment as soon as you can. We are doing writing analysis. This is an unusual opportunity for us to examine your writing, see how you're doing, where we can help you improve. First week, you're going to submit it to me and I'll give you feedback. Second week, you're going to work with someone that I assign to you, and the 2 of you are going to have to arrange a meeting at a common time. One person you're going to look at each other's papers. You're going to make some comments for some potential changes and then submit a worksheet with it. In week 3, you will also talk with our tutor, Jean Aking, and you will have an opportunity to get her feedback. At the end of week 3, you're literally resubmitting this paper you've been working on for 3 weeks. It is an incredible opportunity to really look at your writing. And as we are halfway through the program, this is the best way for us to focus where we go from here for the last half. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great week. I will see you Thursday night at 7:30. Take care, and I know change is going to be a friend.